Alright, fellow Robloxers, today we're going to be learning how to make a true system, but this time with no fluff, so let's get straight to the point. Oh, I expected that to blow up. Alright, so in order to set this bad boy up, you just want to make sure you click the link on down below and get the model. Once you do that, it's going to show up right here into the toolbox. Insert it, ungroup it, delete the thumbnail camera because nobody likes my thumbnails anyway. Place the throw logic inside of the server script service, the throw input inside of the start player, and you just want to make sure you play it inside of the starter character scripts. Like, come on! Alright, and we have two animations right here. How are we going to get those animations, you may ask? You just want to go to Avatar, go to Animation Editor, and come on. Okay, it's alright. And you are going to show up these keyframes. Don't worry, you don't really need lots of experience with animating. You just want to click publish to Roblox, and you can just type in any title you guys want, like French. Oh, come on, right? And it's an come on, yeah. Save it, and I'm just going to copy its ID. And as you can see, it oh no, it doesn't touch the ID. Okay, I just forgot. And I'm just going to do the same for the R6.
12 seconds later.
Oh, and I almost forgot. You guys want to make sure to place the events inside of the replicated storage and ungroup them. And what? I got a mic everywhere. What? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Delete these two rigs because you are not gonna need them, and place the tool wherever you guys want. So let me give it a shot to this bad boy. Alright. And yeah, it's way more of a grenade throw, it works. So if you guys enjoyed this setup, you can subscribe or like this video if you guys want. Anyway, here comes part 2 with the features. But here's one thing about this system. We only use 100% of Roblox's physics. That's right. You are just gonna get the greatest experience of your life if you use this system. Yeah, this was quite cringe. Alright. The coolest part about this script is the fact that you can easily create any throwable objects you guys want. You just wanna go to the thrower part placeholder. Again, as you can see, we use the primary part as a handle and a tag are throwable. Now let's just say you go to the box and you want a grenade or something. Actually, I'm just going to use the grenade I use for the thumbnail. So I think it was this one, yeah. And sub to yeah, I'm not reading the name. Anyway, so I'm just gonna be deleting these scripts, even the handle, and you know, we can just steal it, like place it to a throwable part placeholder, and wait, did I just? Alright, and I'm just gonna do it to our handle. Let me just paste into. Come on. Oh, it did not work. Come on. Alright, this is like the second. No, just delete the thing and paste it. Alright, and we already got a grenade. And what's cool is the fact that if I hit play, I would already have a grenade made. Again, it's not really functional, but hey, it is a true system. Like, you could code it so when it touches the floor it explodes. And yeah, this was all for today, and if you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. It actually helps our community grow even bigger. Wait, that sounded quite dumb. Anyway, have a great day and see you soon.